What's up, guys? Welcome to this series on how to build a claim-based system like State of Decay. In this series, I'm going to build most of the functionality in the base claim system, of State of Decay, but in my upcoming series where I try to build State of Decay from scratch, we're gonna go over everything, and then we're gonna copy some of the stuff that we are gonna build here to the new series. Okay. um, I'm not going to build I probably won't be able to build everything that's inside of State of Decay because of not lack of knowledge or time, but I will try my best to see how far I can get. But today we starting this base claim system. um, Yeah, enough talking. Let me show you what I have so far. And this is still a work in progress. There's a thing that I need to tweak, I need to fix. So let me hit play. And this is multiplayer replicated also. That means it's not a single player game. It's like if you drop in your game, your player can claim bases and do what I'm about to show you. So if I hit play and you see a regular guy, he just walking, and then I can just press a button. Now he gonna follow me everywhere I go. So technically this is gonna be where you talk to them, and then blah blah blah. If you wanna add them to your community, you do that. So, and as you already know, and I think I showed this in the last video, you can go here, claim the base. Now the base belongs to me. Now you see he will still follow me and everything, okay? But here's the cool part about this. Now, you already see all that, and then here we go. You see the section where you can build certain things like your pre-build. Okay, if I go here, and then I'm gonna make this dynamic, but for now, because I wanted to, speed up the time, only this button function. This doesn't work. Only this one work. But later on, we're gonna drive this from a data table. Okay, all of this. But for now, if I press this, you will see he will move. He will move that, and then uh-oh. You understand we have a problem. He was supposed to. Yeah, let's see. Hold on. Okay, let me. Like I said, this is still a work in progress. Why did I do that? Okay, let's leave him standing over there for now, so you can see what I'm talking about. I think it's because of this timer. That's why he followed me automatically. But for now, let me show you. Like I said, this is still a work in progress. I'm still trying to figure things out. But for now, I have the. Okay, hey, come on. Wait, come on, stop right here. So now he's not following me, okay? But I just leave him right here. So let me claim them. Hold on. I don't want him to be too far. Yeah, stop right there. And then claim the base. And then go in there. And then place my thing. Now what you're gonna see is he's gonna come, and then he's gonna go to the building, and then technically he's gonna start building. Play the animation, and then the sound thing, building. And then once he's done, oh, I forgot to show you too. The building has a process. Okay, it's not like everything just spawn at one time. So let me show you. It's gonna be customizable where you can um, set the time between build. Okay, because right now if I let him build, you see only this spawn, right? When you get there, this spawn, and after a while the ladder gonna spawn. Boom. And then that way you can have, and then you're gonna see he gonna come to me after this. Here we go. He's done building. Now she following me now. Boom. Now everywhere I go, she's gonna follow me. I'm gonna make it a way where you can give him command or her command and stuff. Make them stay, follow you, and then it's gonna be like if I'm not gonna do, I don't know. I'm gonna give the option where you want him to attack soon as you see somebody, or you want him to follow or her to follow your lead. For example, let's say if I want to sneak behind in the base, you don't want him to start shooting as soon as you see a player. So you want him to have like follow your lead. Okay, let me see. Cause I know you can build different things, but I don't know if he's gonna do that again. Oh yeah, he's gonna do it. Boom, he's doing it again. He's building. Boom, boom. Or she building. And then when she's done, wait 4 seconds. Or you can set your own timer, and then she's gonna come to me. Boom. And then these widgets, I'm gonna like I said, this is a work in progress, okay? So I'm still messing around with certain things, and then now you see, now he's following me, she's following me. I need to change the, the AI to the menu so that way I can stop calling her he, okay? So there you go. So if you guys like what you see and you want to watch the video, please leave a like and put some comment in the video. Let me know what you like and let me know what you want to see. So let's not waste any more time and let's get this project started, okay? All right, okay, ma'am. You have a good day. So now, I already have, oh, did I even open that? No, I did not. I already have a blank project created. This is just, I'm using 5.1. I know 5.4 is out. I'm using 5.1 because I like um, the way this is the modeling thing, this right here. In 5.4 they changed this entirely, and then one thing that I'm using, the pivot, to change the pivot, they changed it completely. Epic love messing up thing that was good, they want to change it. But enough yapping around, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna try to uh, you know make a folder structure so that way I don't get lost. So let's see. Oops, nope. Say game folder. Okay, so put a game folder here, and then inside of the game folder, I'm gonna put the character, and let's go to the blueprint. Let's rename this guy to JC character. So that way, for me, I can find it easily. Okay, so move her over here, and let me change that. Yeah, because I'm not gonna keep calling her or him. So Manny, and then the animation should be Manny. Yeah. So that way I don't have to keep calling you her or him. Okay. So preferences right here. So that way let me change my comment color. Make it a little dark gray. Boom. We in business, baby. Okay, cool. So now blueprint input. Let's move the input to the character also. And then that's the game mode. Now we're gonna make our own game mode. So here in the folder, we're gonna say blueprints, and we need another one for maps. And let's create our new maps right now. New map. Save current. I'm gonna name my dev map. Okay, dev map. Save all. Always save, because you know how Epic is. Should I put the animation in there? Cause I'm working on something. I might give you guys access to this. I don't know, but I'm working on something for this specific game that we are going to build in the upcoming course. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. I just knew it. Okay, let me close the base claim for now and open. Oh yeah, I have too many open. Epic said no, baby, we cannot run this. Okay, I have this going on here. See, we're gonna use this for the base claim. I mean the state of decay. I'm still working on it, still working on it. Or there's an animation pack that I see that I'm gonna try to buy because this guy has some amazing locomotion system. So I'm gonna try to buy that and then set up the. I might start the locomotion all together. So you guys let me know if you want me to start from scratch, like doing all the locomotion system, like stuff like this, because I know there's millions of videos on YouTube that shows you how to do this. So if you really want to see, like, build your own, you can watch a few videos on YouTube, and then you know how to do this. But here we go. So let me go back to my project and open it up. Like I say, see, everything I'm trying to implement, I work on it separately so that way I don't mess up my project. So I like to create different things and then work on them, and then yeah. Okay, another thing too, I just realized I need to do. Let's move this up. Go to project settings, maps and mode. I want my dev thing to start up as soon as I open the game. And let's go to map, open this up, and let's add a player start. You know what? Let's delete this, landscape. Now you can go out however large you want your terrain to be, but for me, mine's gonna be this, and let's add a player start and another one because we be well. Like I said, and then another thing too. Leave a comment. Let me know if you want the companion AI to have permanent death, like instead of decay, or do you want them to? Um, I don't know if you watched the new game that come out. It's called Bell Right. I've been watching this game, and that the AI after they if they were in a fight and then they get knocked out, they will come back. But if they get knocked out again, I think they're gone forever. So let me know if you guys would like to see the permanent death or get the options to have both. Okay. So okay, where am I? Blueprint character. Let's create one for animation, and then inside the animation, let's add one for blend spaces. Where is the animation at? No, let's just leave this here. Yeah, let's just leave this here. This is gonna be my own animations, okay? So let me add something, because if you leave your folder empty anytime you import something, um, Epic gonna delete the folder. Yeah, if it's empty. So I just add something I don't need, but for now it's that. And then we need another folder for build. No, let's call it base claim. Let's do that. Now inside of base claim, let's create a new blueprint actor, and I'm gonna call it BP base master, because we can create child blueprint of the base. So if you want to have different type of bases, let's say you want to have military base, outposts, and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So get in the comment, let me know what you guys would like to see, so that way I can write them down and have an idea of what to build and what not to build. Okay, and open that up. The first thing I do, make sure everything is replicated, and then let's add a static mesh for now. Just a static mesh. Let's say base mesh. This gonna be what's drive like the entire thing. But for now, let's add a cube. Okay, so we can start working on something. And I'm not making it default scene rule for a reason. Okay, so let's add the box collision. Let's say claim area. So this is the little box where you go to claim the base. Pretty much that little HQ. Let's do this 150. Yeah, and let's move it somewhere forward. The reason why I didn't make it, excuse me, the default is so that way I can move these box collision independently. Okay, so let's so we can see it, and let's add a sphere collision. This is the area where when you walked in, they show you your widget. So base status trigger. Yeah, and this one you can make it as big as you want. You know, I'm gonna make mine 4,000, but base just gonna have to be based off your base size. Okay, your base size. So here, hitting again to false. Okay, let me see how this is looking. Let's rotate this to 90, and let me hit play. No, play. Yeah, here you go. Now this is gonna be the area where not you. The player can just come and then start, interacting with the base and then claim the base or whatever. Okay. So, and then we need another folder. Let me create. This is the prep work. With prepping everything so that way we have our stuff ready. Let's create another folder. I'm gonna call it build structures. This is gonna be the pieces to the base, and then we're gonna have another one, finish asset, and then another one called if you hit Control Shift N, you don't have to keep right clicking. You can say base mesh. So this is after we put all the pieces together. We're gonna put them in here. So base claim, okay, structure. Let's do the same thing we did here. Okay, I don't want Epic to delete my stuff. Let's have something in here. Base mesh, because we can always delete the widgets. Okay. So now you can go about the way I'm going to show you how I go about building my bases and stuff, like the little pieces. Because if I go to here, because there's a reason why I said I'm using 4.1 is because in 4.1 I like the way the building thing is. But if you know how to change it to the one I showed you, hey, use 4.4 or whatever. So yeah, this is I'm talking about if I go here and yeah, you see I have a piece for the door, like this door right here. I made it using the build tool, and then this is another tower that I was working on, but I think I messed it up. Yeah, and then this is the main base. You see, that's them without thing, and then this is the stairs. Like I have trying to build some modular pieces. You see, regular wall, and then here's the finished ones. Okay, this is the regular wall with the top, and this is with the door, one with the window and the door, and then this is the finished one, finished building. And then what else I have? This is that little bench. Yeah, see, I have different things that you can. And then after I build everything, all the little pieces, I have a main base that I put together with all the pieces. You know what I'm saying? Together with it. So yeah. Okay. So let me just move this over here. So now, What else do I need to build? What else do I need? Let's create one for widgets. Okay, and in here we're gonna add a widget. Let's call this one main HUD. And for now, let's open it up. Add a canvas panel. Boom. And let's add a text for now. Anchor it to the top. Boom. Oh. Boom. How you say this? 0, 0, 0, 0. 0.5. My keyboard is dying, that's why it's acting crazy. Okay. Now let's make this to 1. No, -1. Okay, cool. So welcome to the base flame. Okay, so now let's go add this to our viewport. Where is it? Font. Let's change it to 18. And also, I already have a project where I can get inside the car and get out. I already have that. Let's see. What I was going to, okay, yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Blueprint and let's create game mode base, and I'm gonna call it JC. Oh, JC game mode. Should I add the player controller inside of the character? Yeah, let's do that. Let's keep everything pertaining to the character inside that character. So let's create another one. JC player controller. Yeah. And we're also gonna have a save system too. So, you know, after you build your base, you claim your base, and then we'll save everything. We'll save the location of the base, where are your AIs, and then the command. Like, let's say if I'm all the way out here with my AI, with my companion, I can, you know, give him a command to go back to the base. Okay, and then he or she gonna start running. But I don't want them. Let's say for example, I'm all the way back there, like far away from my base, because you know, like I said, you know, they can die. So I don't want them to run all the way to the base. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make it where if the distance between me and the AI is at a certain amount, I'm just gonna destroy the AI and then spawn it at the base. So that way they don't have to travel all the way. But if you want that, if you want to, you make your game more difficult so people can think about how, hey, you know, let me not let my AI go back by itself. And also, I'm going to do it in a way where you can interact with them. What I mean is you can access their inventory, give them what type of weapon you want them to have. So for example, you can walk up to them, press a button, it shows a little widget, and then you can just drag and drop whatever weapon or item you want them to carry for you, and then you can get them back. Okay, so let's go back. Player character, let's go to blueprints. Let me start giving these things some colors so I can find them. Blueprints. I'll just make it blue. Yeah. Okay, blueprints. And let's open this. In the blueprint, the default printed controller, default pawn will be the JC character, and we're gonna add everything else. Let's go say game state, because we're gonna need all of these. Game state, JC game state. Like I said, everything that pertains to the character, go into the character. Player state. JC player state. Again, the game mode again. Select this. Player state. JC player state. Game state. JC game state. And here in class settings, if you go, or word settings, if you go here, word settings, let's get our game mode. Yeah, everything should work. Okay, let's show the HUD, and then we can call this video a quit for today. Game HUD, let's go here, and first thing I'm gonna do, let's get a sequence, and the first thing I'm going to do, I say is local player controller. If it is, oops, excuse me. If it is, we're gonna say create widget. The widget we're trying to create is the main HUD. Promote it to a variable. Main HUD. I like to make it, I don't know why, but check to see if it's valid. If it is, we're just gonna add to viewport. And then plug it up here. And plug this up here. And then we can just grab everything, collapse it to a function, say create main HUD. And before anything, let's go here, add a folder, interfaces, and click here, blueprint interface, BPI character, no, yeah, BPI JC character, okay, and get JC character. You guys seen this before. Character, compile and save. Let's add an output of character ref and JC character. Compile, save, and let's go to the player character. Let's give this guy a new color. Class settings, BBI, JC character, and let's say self. Okay, and in the player controller, I can say get player pawn, because we might need some stuff in the player controller from the character. So JC character message, character ref, and class is a function, get character ref. Okay, so let's go see if our widget is on the screen, and here it is. Let's go make it a little bit bigger than that. Let's make it to 22. If we hit play, yeah, let me close my other project. I don't know why Epic love to do that. I mean, maybe my computer messed up. I don't know. Boom, there you go. Welcome to Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm gonna call it quit right here, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like what you see, please leave a like. It helps the channel grow, and I appreciate all your love and support. and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.